To cook brown rice in a rice cooker, measure out the amount of rice you want to cook and rinse it in a strainer under cool, running water. Keep rinsing until the water runs clear. Then dump the drained rice into your rice cooker and spread it evenly over the bottom of the pot. Next, add water to the rice cooker. Use 50% more water by volume than the amount of rice in the cooker. In other words, if you used 2 cups, about 380 grams of rice, add 3 cups, 237 milliliters of water. If your rice cooker has multiple settings, check the manual to find out which one is best for brown rice. Otherwise, just put the lid on the cooker, turn it on, and let it run until it switches itself off. Once the rice is done, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes with the lid on to absorb any remaining steam and moisture. Then, take off the lid and gently fluff the rice by scooping it toward the center of the pot with a wooden or plastic spoon or spatula. Don't use anything made of metal, since it could scratch up your rice cooker. Serve your freshly cooked rice however you'd like.